Stop copying formulas or functions one by one in Excel. There is a much faster, easier way. Let me show you. So here I have an Excel spreadsheet and I want to multiply these two numbers together. So let me put in my formula is, select the first one, select the second one, press enter. So this is the result, this multiply. Now I want to add this to all the other rows. What many people will do, they will copy this and then paste it in the next one. This is it's time consuming, it takes too much time. They also know the shortcuts, but it takes too much time. Other knows about this little trick, this little box, and they will drag this down. But what if you have too much data? You cannot drag it down to the last one. Others know this trick also, like they will copy this, go down, you go down with control and arrow down. Then it will go in and then we will press Ctrl Shift arrow up to select the whole row, the whole column, and then Ctrl V to add this. This is also a neat trick, but it's also too much time. The fastest way to do this is just go to the little box on the right below corner and just double click it. Now look, my formula has been applied to all the other rows and all the other cells, and that is the fastest way to do this. Follow for more.